So we are going to go visit the top destinations of Paris today. We're going to start with the Eiffel Tower. So the Eiffel Tower, you need to get reservations to go up the lift to the observation deck, or you can get there early in the morning or later in the evening when the lines are lower. And that's what we're going to do because I wanted to see how long it'll take if you didn't have reservations compared to having reservations. Let's go start our day at the Eiffel Tower. One thing I've noticed around here is about 80% of the cars have dents or scratches in them. So what I would recommend is if you plan on getting a car here and driving around, make sure you get that insurance. Probably be well spent. If you're thinking about renting a place here, they have a 3-room, 3-chamber, 5-piece, 120 square meter apartment for rent. It's only 6,900 euros a month. Just so you know. Not a bad view, is it? So you need to enter on the Palace of Trocadero side. The other side, there's no way to come in. So you gotta come through security here. This is the non-ticket holder side. That's the ticket holder side. It opens at 9 o'clock. In order to get tickets, if you haven't purchased them, you've got to go in to the Esplanade, to the ticket office, and see if you can get a ticket up there. So we're second in line. So hopefully we can get up in there pretty quickly. It's right before 8 o'clock. It doesn't open until 9. So we got there right before 8 o'clock. By 8:20, there were hundreds of people in line. So if you don't have a ticket, you should really come in advance. And then when you come through, you got to come at a 45-degree angle to the ticket office. And it's like a free-for-all. So you need to walk really fast. Unfortunately, the top is closed for technical issues. So we get to the middle. this deck should be called Selfie Central. Coming up to this second deck is really, you can get some great photos. I really wish we could go up to the top deck, but c'est la vie, right? I guess it's good for us. The gift shops are on this level and not the top floor. Do you want to go down the stairs?
You crazy. You can. I'll take the elevator.
Well, that completes our time here at the Eiffel Tower. Now, hopefully when you come, you'll be able to go up to the tippy top, send some pictures and attach them. That'd be pretty cool. Overall, not a bad experience. Pretty nice, great views. The cafe, not open, but they do have that little cafe, if you will, on the second floor. So that's pretty cool. So now we're going to go check out the rest of Paris. Au revoir.